Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 8.3 question number 7. Maria invested rupees 8,000 in a business. She would be paid interest at 5% per annum compounded annually. Find the amount credited against her name at the end of the second year, the interest for the third year. Let us find. First of all, we'll find. Here it is given, or we know that amount is equal to P into 1 plus r by 100, 1 plus r by 100 to the power n. Here is the principal is rupees 8,000. That is 8,000 into 1 plus r by 100. R is 5% per annum. Therefore 5 by 100. And n is for 2 years. That is second year. That is 2. N equal to 2. Therefore we are getting 2. Therefore we are getting 8,000 into 105 by 100 into 105 by 100. Right? 105 by 100 into 105 by 100. After calculation, we are getting rupees. After calculation, we are getting rupees 8,820. This is the amount. Right? This is one answer. That is part 1. This one. Question number 2 is the interest for the third year. The interest for the third year. Here, principal is rupees. Here, P is rupees. Here you see, this is the principal now. That is 8,820. Rate of interest is 5% per annum. It is 5 by 100. And T is for 1 year because we have to find for the third year. That is T is for 1 year. 1 year. That means you have to find the simple interest for this amount. And you know that simple interest is equal to SI is equal to P RT by 100. Simple interest is equal to P RT by 100. Here you see that principal is rupees 8,820. 8,820. Rate of interest is 5 by 100. 5 by 100. And T is for 1 year or 1. Therefore, after calculation, we are getting rupees 441. 441. That is the answer. Right? The amount calculated credited against her name at the end of second year is rupees 8,820. And the interest for the third year is rupees 441. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.